How cool is this? This is a Casa Tua Indonesian restaurant. And look, rabbits. Hello, rabbits. Hello. Hello. How are you? Mosquito zone.
Getting bitten all the time.
That villa is full of mosquitoes and little geckos. So hopefully the geckos offset the mosquitoes.
I haven't
We've
had
got a few
too many.
bites.
I've only got a few.
It's good though. It is a good villa. It's just it needs a bit of love. Anyway, you would have seen the last video. You would have seen the villa video.
Yes, it does. Just need a little bit of love, but it's still pretty quiet compared to what you're about to see.
Yes. Well, a lot of people say CANGGU'S pretty crazy, and it is pretty crazy, right?
It's intense compared to the rest of Bali that we've seen.
You can sort of
For
hear
us,
it.
anyway.
You can hear it in the background now. So this is, well, our street here is Jalan, Pantai, Batu, Bolong. So this runs all the way down to Old Man's and the lawn. So the first bit to the top bit where we are, it's sort of little shops and it's a bit all over the place. But we want to walk with you guys. And we're going to walk back this way down towards the beach, and to show you a little bit of the craziness of CANGGU. It's.
I don't know if you're going to hear us because there's lots of bikes. You kind of feel like you're in Vietnam a little bit.
It's a little bit Vietnamese.
Scooters everywhere.
Yeah, that's true. I'll just cut on and off as we go and show you little bits and pieces as we get down the street. So we'll do like a 40-minute walk, eh? All right.
Let's go.
So stick around. Hope you enjoy.
Well, apart from all the traffic, one thing you're going to notice in CANGGU is all the development. Well, that's just Bali style though, isn't it? The development here is crazy. They are building and renovating everywhere.
Yeah.
So there's a big site here getting built. This is where the gate's up there. Look. That's a huge development site. And Reno, so around the corner they're restoring buildings, and yeah, it's crazy. It's all over the place. Which is great, but unfortunately the infrastructure doesn't support it.
There's not many.
And there's not many footpaths. So yeah, we noticed the other day, we went for a bit of a walk, a little big block walk.
Yeah.
And only this road and the road Barawa, Jalan Barawa had paths. Other than that, we're walking on the street. A lot of that.
People don't walk really here. Everyone's scooters.
Everyone's scooters, yeah.
Everyone's scooters.
So we've only been walking about 5 minutes from our place, and this is the Festive supermarket, which is pretty good.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Yeah, there's one down in Seminyak as well, just off Seminyak Road.
And then we also have Pepito.
And yeah, Pepito on the other side. So you got a couple of choices for supermarkets. So, pretty new. Notice a little bit, things are a little bit more expensive here, hey baby?
They are.
Just a little bit, like not much, but like 10%, 20% more. And I think
even the shops, the clothes shops are a little bit more dearer.
Yeah, it's only a little bit, but yeah, it is more expensive than Seminyak or Legia. And this is the big Pepito. It's good advice. So this is what I think a lot of people love about CANGGU, is because there's like cool restaurants everywhere, little bars, good cafes, and like a really diverse shopping.
Yeah.
Like compared to Seminyak, Legia, which is the same sort of thing over and over and over again.
We walked past so many restaurants just then. There's so much to choose from. So much.
I think that's why it's popular. But the traffic.
Smoky's protein smoothie.
Yeah.
Just a place that does protein smoothies.
Can't ask for more. But the traffic, that's the problem.
Oh, it's crazy.
So the other day we wanted to go to, was it Papaya Fresh supermarket in Legia.
The Japanese supermarket.
They do katsus.
Open one in CANGGU.
Yeah, open one in CANGGU would be rich. We went down there. We got a grab down there, which was an hour. We shopped for 1 hour, and it was an hour and 20 minutes to get back in another grab. So
it's probably not worth it.
It's not worth it because the traffic is so bad to get down to.
Have a look how much the traffic is. stopping.
It hasn't stopped. It's just non-stop. I don't know where they're coming from or where they're going to. That's what I can't really work out. Because, like this way, there's the beach and there's a shortcut to get to Seminyak. So maybe they're coming up from Seminyak. But, or like Petatenget area, maybe that way.
Could be that.
Yeah.
Could be that.
But yeah, it's if you overlook the traffic, it's actually a pretty cool place. I'm just going to whack the camera on now and just let it run for a couple of minutes while we walk, so you can experience it a little bit like we are.
Hey, boss.
This is a challenging intersection, this one. Come on, let's keep going. Smell good. So this walk the road. If you go this way to the left, you end up at Old Man's, and this way you can get to the lawn quicker, I think.
So which way we're going?
We're going this way, down to the dais.
We're going to go this way
Yeah.
today.
This is the almighty Deus Temple of Enthusiasm. Deus Ex Machina. Oh, tacos on Tuesdays. Tuesdays. Deus Ex Machina Customs. In Benzen Veritas. In Petra we trust.
Is that what it means?
That's what it means.
Alright.
Awesome.
I think here's as good a spot as any to stop the video. If you've watched any of our old videos, you know this is my absolute most favourite brand in the whole world.
He loves it.
Yeah, Dare Jennings is a genius, and so is Carby Tuckwell. Geniuses. Their artwork and their brand and product is fantastic. Anyway, I'm ranting. Hope you enjoyed our little jaunt around Canggu, one street. It's the safest street to walk on, I think.
It's still busy, but yeah, it's a safe street, yeah.
We'll see you guys in our next video, so bye!